that's it. So
16 times.
that motherfucker James got first.
Somebody needs to cut his power.
Yeah. And second place, that motherfucker Sonny. There. And 19th, we got a tie for third that we got to settle right now. We need Nubs and Manny to the line. Nubs and Manny, heads up. Let's do. Hey, you guys want to do 3 laps? Heads up.
For me, just give me all of you in exchange for me, for real, shot. Yeah, is you at 2 keys or 10 roof? Turn up, we don't tell her we just getting loose. Baby, I'm low key feeling you. Don't be cynical and fuck you over, wanna fuck you over. And again, the truth is I ain't really his fuck vibe. Girl, I swear to God, them. Can't never say they got him. No, I bet you wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it while you stressing him. I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington, mileage. On the whip, got your in my grip, college. Make you wanna strip for them dollars. Nah, girl, I got a job for you. Swear to God, I can do it live for you. So you strolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow you. Say what's up with you. You got my soul. Got you. If I get in my feelings, I start reminiscing you. It's time to real, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on the sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got ways.
Breakfast. What's that? So,
They don't tell us about the drone racing. These guys are here for the same thing?
yeah. Well, after 3 hours of actual driving, you gotta find a bathroom. Okay.
This has the long mask.
Okay.
Has the actual the standard version had a shorter mask. But because I have the extended mask.
But anytime you have your center of mass, your center of thrust above the center of mass, you have a slight.
It was 7 inches. Now it's
You have to learn how to fly a seaplane. Have X number of solo hours, and you can fly a seaplane. When I got my glider certificate, it was that way.
Yeah. So you don't have to take it.
Really nice. But definitely, if you get a chance to get down to business, I'm just going to go
one.
This one? Okay, $7.
Ah, look at that.
Hold on tight. These are heavy grips.
Yes, sir.
Burn fingers. Cooper, you want to stir eggs?
Thank you, sir.
Or sir? Whatever you want to do.
What do we got here? Main man.
Oh, we got to tell friends.
Drawings or horizon. How are you, sir?
Man, good to see you. Did you guys eat yet? No.
Been here early.
Showed up late.
You guys say 8.
You know the race is here.
We go by Cuban time, man. It's 8.
But
You're
you know
late.
the race is here.
Yeah.
I thought it was over.
No, it's full. Well, he said airport.
Airport, yeah. Yeah, but you know we don't race. I know. I was just sending you guys a message. I'm like, oh, I better tell the guys from my end. That's another sketchy ass thing, man.
To fly that?
You strap a fan on my ass and cruise around.
On the boat, on the go-go.
Well, we just got told that since it's an airport, they're gonna let us in a different way now. So that's pretty much where I'm moving. Breakfast was nice. So they do this I believe every Saturday, every third Saturday or every month. They do breakfast for the club. It wasn't that bad. I had some pancakes with blueberries. It's a nice airport. I mean, at least the guys that they were talking about planes and stuff. Let's show you a little overview here before I stay behind. Who opens the gate? All right, so I got stuck at the gate. They need to open the gate again. Through the grass?
Yeah, through the grass there. It's cut real left.
Thank you. It's okay, to the grass.
Alright, if you have any videos, just raise your hand. Is your video better now? How about now? How's your video right now? Whose quad is this? You're on a 200? 200 milliwatt VTX? You willing to try? You think your video is flyable? It's probably how close this quad is to you. Right. Are you okay with that? How about the other guy? How's your video? You want to fly it or not? Okay. Famous last words. Pilots, close them like visors. On. Race starts when I say go.
Hi guys, heading home. It was a quick and fast run. It was 3 heats and then we ran 10 races. It was a lot of fun. Chris Thomas hosted the event, or the races if you want to call it that. Unfortunately, I crashed in my practice run that took out my VTX. And of course, a lot of people, well, my crew, showed me a lot of love. And of course, they were making fun of me and the antenna and why do I come and actually fly with only one quad. I mean, that's the only one quad I have. Yes, I'm building my second quad. And of course, not everybody has the capacity, if you want to put it that way, of building, 2 quads back to back. If you're learning, you're gonna start with one. Of course, if you racing, you need your backup, But either way, I come to the events even driving 3 hours from Miami. I like to hit all the events as possible. You meet people, and that's one of the things I like about this hobby. Meeting a lot of people, meeting different people and their perspective on the way they fly, how fast they fly. It makes it fun. So it's not, I didn't come to win the race and win whatever prize there is. I mean, you do fly because you like flying. And you do fly because you like the community behind it. So it's not much coming to actually just win. 3 quads, let's go and win. No, that's not an idea. Usually, most of the people that I met, humble to start, come and fly, and if they're good, they're good. I mean, even if you're the good pilot, there's always something. There's always a BTX, there's always a motor, there's always something that could throw you off. And just because you, let's say you lost one time, would that make you a worse pilot? Even if everybody knows you're a good pilot, would that make you, would that make you feel bad about it that you didn't win in that perspective? Either way, I do like the events. It was fun. I do hope you guys subscribe to the page or subscribe to it. There's another race in Miami tomorrow, which should be fun as well. I'm not gonna go back home to stress. I'm sorry. Not gonna go back home to stress and building my quad. No, I'm gonna go back home. I do have some wine left for yesterday. Get some wine, chill on a Saturday afternoon. Probably edit the video. Chill. There's a race tomorrow. I'll be there. I'll be supporting the crew. But it doesn't mean that I'm gonna go home and start building my quad and for me to fly tomorrow. I usually fly at least once a week, twice a week, and that's pretty much my practice. Other than that is having fun, guys. Remember that, having fun, that's pretty much what you do it. If you're doing it for the money or doing it for that, I still haven't met that much pilot that are making a lot of money on this yet. It helps. Of course, it's an expensive hobby. It does help. But at the end, everybody just do it because they like it. They have fun with it. And, you learn from it. The more stake time, even 3 hours away or 1 hour away, is stake time. So I didn't lose on my chance. I always done it. The first event that I was here, which is X59, the birthplace of MultiGP. The first time I came here, I confused the track. I thought it was a regular fun fly or a regular point race, and it was the actual Florida regional, the first regional for 2016. And I came, I made a lap. I wasn't prepared to be in that racing environment, and from the beginning, that's what I done. From the beginning, I wasn't scared to be the last one. I wasn't scared to try, and my majority of the people I met that pushed me to become a better pilot, there's always that push. They always have help you. Hey, try it. If you don't try, you don't do nothing. I could have stayed home. There's no race today. I could stay home, probably fly my field, but it's not the same. You don't come to this type of environment. Racing environment is different. When you actually need to race, which I did, thanks to Kevin Repshot from the crew, he lent me his backup quad, and I was able to run team races, and we won team races. It was team DTC Hot Track since Will, Go Faster Will, pretty much with the name, but we won. So I was part of a winning team. We won. It was against there was 3 different teams. Every team had 5 pilots, and the way Chris set it up, it was head-to-head race, and whoever came last on that race got eliminated. Our team was able to survive with all 5 pilots still against Hyper Neo, which you're probably gonna see the video. He's from the Orlando crew. He flies awesome. But it's just, straight up flying, and he was able to take on all of us, if you want to put it that way. And that's practice for him, because that pressure gets, even though yes, he's faster, that hectic pressure on him gets put on him, and he needs to learn how to control it. And that's something that it gives us practice to become faster, and gives him practice to become even faster what he does. And that's pretty much what you're looking for. Either way, guys, I'm not gonna spend an hour talking. I got 3 hours that way to Miami. Be safe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Just let me know. I know either my video sucks. Just let me know what you want to see. If you have something for me to try, I'll try it. Send it my way. Let me know. Comment, subscribe, help out. Either way, guys, thank you for tuning. guys, today, day 2, Sunday. I flew yesterday, and today we're doing a DTC Day Walker edition, as we mainly do fly at night most of the time, at least the crew. So we're running a small race, one race pretty much. I was kept through the middle of the night yesterday trying to fix my quad. At the end, my X4R didn't work, and I don't have a receiver. I already ordered the parts, but I'm not gonna stress it. You know, either way, I come to the events to help out, see everybody how it is. You know, help out new people if there are new people into the hobby. I do enjoy coming and seeing. I really don't mind. I did try to fix my quad after the 3-hour drive yesterday, but you know, it didn't work. I was putting everything together. I ordered some parts for the 2 builds, pretty much. You know, my main one and my backup. And that's what it is. And I'm heading to a new track, heading to a new event, and let's see what we make out of it. You know, hopefully enjoy the day. All right, guys.
They're doing waves. He does. He's got like 12 subscribers. So he's on nice. I do. I just started though a month ago, so that's right on point. 12 subscribers in a month. That's fucking awesome. Serious. I'm trying. I got my paid Facebook campaigns. Good deal. You gotta be my campaign manager because I think you got more followers than me. I think you have like 6. Yeah. There you go. You missed that double at the back. I'm losing everything. We're plugging in here. Yeah, I know.
We're horrible guys. We're not all plugging in at the same time, taking off at the same time.
So this happened. You gotta fish the drum that is right there. Okay? Somewhere around there. So you got all those guys fishing a drum. That's the fun part of it.